Hi, boys and girls. We're here back in my room, and we're going to paint some flowers now. If you're in classroom 1, you might have gotten this yesterday, and it said it's a painting activity. So I want you to open up the bag. Well, first, we need to get a newspaper. You're going to need your watercolor paints, and you're going to need a paintbrush with a little cup that has some water in it. Mine is here to the side. And your bag, okay? This is our pipe cleaner. And we're going to use this a little bit later, so you can put that aside right now. And I want you to take out your coffee filters. If you don't have a coffee filter, you can use a paper towel. It'll work the same way. Or a napkin. It'll be just fine. So we want to try to smooth them out and flatten them. And then we're going to take 2 at a time. I think that should be okay. You can do 1 at a time or 2 at a time. Doesn't much matter. And you want to put them down on your newspaper and try to make them as flat as you can. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take some color from our paint, and we're just going to paint on our coffee filters. And what's going to happen is it's going to spread all around. Uh-oh, my paint isn't very good here. Here we go. There's a little pink on there. Need some more water. And we're going to paint them. And a little bit of orange. You can make them whatever color you want to. You can make stripes. You can make blobs. However you want to do it. This is your flower. Okay? Get some yellow in there. Some more yellow. I like to have a paper down underneath because the coffee filter soaks up the water and the paint color. See? You see it's getting very light colors there. But it goes through, and I don't want it to get onto my table. So we want to make sure that we protect our surface. Always protect your surface. Put some green in there. And you want to go all the way around your coffee filter. You want to cover the whole thing up with your paint. Make it go all the way around. The green shows up pretty good. You see the green over here, and there's some yellow. The red isn't showing up so well on mine, but you might have better paint than I do. If you don't have paint, you can use a magic marker too. I'm going to show you what to do with the magic marker on the next one. I think this is a good rainy day activity. It's been kind of rainy today, and the wind has been blowing so hard. Did you hear the wind outside? Can you hear it outside my window now? It's very, very windy up here in my room today. We're just going to paint it all around like this. Make sure that the water covers the whole thing. Oh, what color is this one? Is this purple? No. Maybe. I don't know. We're just putting lots of colors on here. Here we go. There's all kinds of colors. See? How's that looking? That's looking pretty good, huh? Got a little bit more over here. I need some more color on this side. A little more yellow. Yeah, that looks nice. Oh, there's some down here. I need to put some more down here. Oh, that's nice and bright now, the yellow. And try to get some more orange in there. Remember to clean your brush in between so that you don't mix your colors in your palette. You can mix your colors on your coffee filter, though. They'll just all blend together. Look at that. Can you see that? And then when you pull it apart, carefully pull it apart, and you have 2. And they look pretty much the same. Then we put them off on the side to dry. Put them over here on the side. Yeah, they're going to dry over there. And you can do your other one. Remember, I said you could do 1 at a time or 2 at a time. Let's do 1 at a time. Let me find my markers. Uh-oh, that's the jelly beans. That's not what we want. We want the magic markers. They're in this bag somewhere. Here they are. Ta-da! Here are my magic markers. Now, if you want to use a magic marker, you can do the same thing. First, we put some lines on it. I'm going to make my lines go all the way around like this. I'm following the lines on the coffee filter, kind of. See, all the way around. And then, top on so it doesn't dry out. Then you take your brush in the water and you just paint on over your lines. And the lines will start to run and get blurry when you add water to it, see? So this is another way that you can do watercolors if you don't have a watercolor box. Some people have it and some people don't. Let's try some other colors on there. What other color? What color should I put now? Red? Oh, red, orange, or blue? Which one do you think would be a good color to put with the green stripes? Want to try red? Who said red? Okay, we'll try some red. Then make some squiggly lines with the red in between the green. Like that. And then we're going to get our water and we're going to paint over it just like that. Just spread the water all around and it's going to make it blend together. See? We're making our own watercolors. That looks kind of cool. I think I should do red all the way around. Here's the red. Let's do it all the way around. Let's see what happens. When you do the red marker on a wet filter or a wet paper towel, it kind of blends all by itself. But we like to put some more water on it to help it. And make sure that it gets all blended in there. All the way. And what color should we put in the middle? Should we try the orange in the middle? Put some orange in the middle of it like that. That might work. Let's see. Add a little water. Mix it all around. And there we go. Look at that. This is kind of fun. And this is going to dry also. And we're going to put it over there on the side. And the last one we're going to do with our watercolors. We're going to soak up the water that's already there on our paper. Make sure that our filter is nice and flat. And we'll use our watercolors again. I got some orange. I got some blue. What colors do you like to use? Does anybody out there have a favorite color? Oh, really? Your favorite color is green? All right, I'll put some green on my flower for you. How about you? How about you? What's your favorite color? Is your favorite color yellow, like the sun? The sun is starting to come out now. Can you see it through my window? How about a little purple? I think somebody out there likes purple. I do. Put some purple on there. Yep. Let's see. I'm about done. Make sure you cover the whole coffee filter. It could take a little bit of time, and that's okay. This is a good activity that will keep us busy for a while. And you can do as much color or as little color. Maybe you just want to put water on it. That's okay too. We want it to get all wet, because we're going to make flowers. Some more yellow. I like the yellow. Looks a little tie-dyed. Yep. Okay, let me see. Let's see how we did. Let's see how we did. What do you think? Ooh, isn't that pretty? And we're going to let this one go over here too. So the way that we make these into a flower is when they're all dry. And mine are not all dry. But I want to show you what to do. I don't want you to have to wait till they get all dry. Let me move my paper. Fold it up so that we don't make a mess anywhere. But I'm going to take our filters, and you put one inside the other. You're going to stack them up like you're stacking up a sandwich. Just like that. And then you're going to fold it in half. And you're going to grab the bottom and pinch it together like this. And you're going to fold it again and pinch it together again like that. And you got it so you have a little cone, see? And then you might need a grown-up to help you, but you want to take your pipe cleaner and wrap it around the point of your cone. Just like that. Maybe another time around like that. There we go. And then what we do is very carefully we open up the petals of our flower. And when it's dry, it works a lot better. I didn't think this through. I should have made it already and then had an extra set that were dry. But that's okay. But we open up the petals, see? Like this. And look. You have a beautiful flower. Because it's April, you know. April, it rains a lot. So we need things to do on rainy days. And you got some. What do you think? Is that a pretty flower? I think you did a marvelous job. I see everybody's colors on there. And it'll dry nice just like this, and it'll look like a rose. Well, I hope that you had fun painting with me. And I hope that you'll be back again the next time when we come to make letters with our marshmallows and spaghetti. Shh, don't tell anybody. You all have a wonderful day. Remember, stay safe and make sure you go outside when it's not raining and get some fresh air. It's very good for your lungs and it's good for your breathing. And I want you to stay strong and healthy. I miss you and I love you, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.